Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5368P. This is a 2022 Ford F-350 Crew Cab long box with 107,000 K. XLT package, sharp looking, chrome front end, chrome grille. This is your full crew cab with the 6.2 liter gas. It is a one-ton as well, so it does have enough suspension capabilities to lug around some decent pieces of equipment. Full 8-foot box, perfect for work. Class 5 hitch out back, as well as 4-pin and 7-pin wiring. Backup camera and park sensors as well. Ford's keyless entry system. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt cruise, power driver seat, and power pedals as well. There's also some auxiliary switches up above for wiring in beacon lights or pumps or anything else you want to be wheeling around with. Something like this, again, is great for either the farm or for the construction industry. Again, this is stock number 5368, a 2022 Ford F-350 Crew Cab long box.